Eulogy of Lord Adinatha, Bhaktambar Stotra, verse number 15, title Immovable like Meru. Chitram kimatra yadite tidrishanganabhir नीतं मनागपि मनो न विकारमार्गं कल्पान्त्यकालमरुता चलिता चलेन किं मन्दराद्रिशिखरं चलितं कदाचित्. Now come to the prose order of this verse number 15. Line 1 contains the words Chitram Kim अत्र यदि ते त्रिदशांगनाभिः. Here Chitram Kim, joint meaning of both the words is what are strange. Atra, in it, yadi, if, te, your, tridishang nabhihi, that means here I am writing it's by celestial nymphs, or can say female celestials. Next lines words are Nitam Manak Api Na Vikar Margam. Here Nitam Na, Nitam that means get turned, got turned. Here Na and Na that means it's didn't, and here first form multiple get turn. Manak Api, that means manak it's bit, api also. Vikar margam, joint meaning of both is to passionate thought process. Next line, it's kalpant kal maruta चलिता चलेना. कल्पांतकाल that means disaster, or can say catastrophe. Here maruta means wind, by wind. Chalita chalena, it's shaker of mountain. And the last lines words are Kim Mandaratri Shikaram Chalitam Kadachit. Here Kim means can, Mandaratri of Mount Sumeru, Shikharam its peak, Chalitam got, get shaking, and Kadachit means ever. Get, or can say here got, shaken, Kadachit that means ever. Now look at the complete meaning of this, taking the help of chart. First of all, one side it is yadi te mano, we are talking of mind, and on other side Mandaratri Shikram, talking of the peak of mountain, Mount Sumeru. Now for both the words, common word is mana api, manat api, that means it's bit also. Vikar margam na neetam, that means your mind doesn't attend to passionate thought process even a bit. And here it is chalitam, that means Mount Meru doesn't moved or shaken even a bit. 3. The Shangar Nabhi, that means your mind doesn't shake diverted a bit due to Tridishana Nabhi by celestial nymphs. And here talking of Kalpant Kal Chalita Chalena, that means catastrophe or disaster, which are the biggest shakers, those shakers unable to shake the peak of Mount Meru. Chitra Kimatra, that means there is no stretch. And here Kim Kadachit, and the end of the matter is with big question mark. Now, listen the complete meaning at once. Oh, the one having dispassionate thought process, no wonder, in fact, that your mind didn't get turned a bit by celestial nymphs or female deities to passionate thought process. What to feel strange in it, ever shaking wind or catastrophe can move Mount Meru in a way as they move other mountains. No, they can't. In this way, we discussed about verse number 15. Look at the text. This is the end.